Hi, I've just received this yellow box from Sika Kimia Malaysia. Let's see what is inside. Oh, this is SikaBond 124 Instant Nails Multipurpose Adhesive, also commonly known as Construction Adhesive. This is Jorge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, we will be talking about this product. Again, this is SikaBond 124 Instant Nails, a one-part rigid adhesive with high final strength that bonds most common construction and industry material substrate, internal and covered external use. What are the characteristics or advantages of using SikaBond 124? Easy to apply, rapid initial grab after flash off, rapid strength gain, wide adhesion range. In terms of application, SikaBond 124 can be used to bond most components such as skirting boards, wooden frames, battens, panels, mouldings, hard PVC profiles, sheet boards, metal protection angles, and many others. Let's talk about the product information. SikaBond 124 is composed of synthetic rubber with a packaging of 333 grams per cartridge. Color wood brown, shelf life 18 months from the date of production. For preparation, let me show you how to apply SikaBond 124 Instant Nails using a caulking gun. Next, we are going to talk about application instructions, beginning with substrate preparation and application method or tools, which can be divided into one-way method and two-way method. All surfaces must be clean, sound, dry, and free of oil, grease, and surface contamination. One-way method is recommended for heavier panels or where load or stress is expected. Apply a 4 to 6 mm bead of SikaBond 124 using a cartridge gun, making sure the beads are no more than 50 mm apart. Bring both substrates immediately together and clamp, nail or screw for a minimum of 24 hours. For two-way method, apply adhesive as in one-way method. Bring together substrates and press firmly over entire surface to transfer adhesive. Then pull apart. Allow adhesive to dry off up to 3 minutes. Reposition the objects and press together with a hammer and a paddle block to ensure maximum contact. Maximum bond strength will be achieved in 12 to 72 hours, depending on the substrates and environmental conditions. Let me share with you a practical application of using SikaBond 124 Instant Nails to bond ceramic tile on plywood. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you have a good understanding on this product, SikaBond 124 Instant Nails. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for our upcoming home improvement videos. Bye bye for now. Important considerations. SikaBond 124 Instant Nails contains solvents that might degrade and affect sensitive components and substrates. Please ensure compatibility by carrying out preliminary trials or contact Sika Technical Services.